Few phenomena in the natural world captivate the human imagination like bird migration. The very idea that small, feathered creatures, some weighing only a few ounces, can navigate thousands of miles across continents and oceans is awe-inspiring. Driven by instinct and guided by celestial cues, migratory birds embark on perilous journeys twice a year. They connect distant ecosystems and remind us of the interconnectedness of life on Earth. These incredible journeys are not for the faint of heart. Birds face numerous challenges along their routes. Storms, predators, exhaustion, and the ever-present need to find food and suitable resting spots. Yet, year after year they return, their arrival heralding the changing seasons and enriching the landscapes they traverse. Their resilience and navigational prowess continue to amaze scientists and birdwatchers alike. Understanding the routes and patterns of these airborne nomads provides a glimpse into the intricate workings of the natural world. Nestled in Central Asia, Turkmenistan might seem like an unlikely haven for migratory birds. Much of its landscape is dominated by the Karakum Desert, a vast expanse of sand dunes and arid plains. However, this seemingly inhospitable environment serves as a crucial stopover point for numerous bird species undertaking long-distance migrations. Turkmenistan sits at the crossroads of several major avian flyways. These are like aerial highways channeling birds along established routes. One such flyway, the Central Asian Flyway, stretches from the Arctic tundra to the Indian subcontinent. It carries millions of birds, including ducks, geese, waders, and songbirds, across Turkmenistan each spring and fall. Another vital route, the West Asian East African Flyway, brings birds from their breeding grounds in Siberia and Eastern Europe to wintering areas in Africa. This flyway sees a diverse array of raptors, storks, and cranes passing through Turkmenistan. These birds rely on the country's wetlands, oases, and even man-made reservoirs for crucial rest and refueling during their arduous journeys. Among the many avian visitors to Turkmenistan, the Siberian crane and the white stork stand out for their remarkable journeys and conservation status. The Siberian crane, also known as the snow crane, is a critically endangered species that breeds in the Arctic tundra of Russia. These elegant birds, with their striking white plumage and distinctive crimson facial markings, undertake one of the longest migrations of any crane species. Their journey takes them over 5,000 miles, passing through Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan, and Turkmenistan, before reaching their wintering grounds in India and Iran. The white stork, a symbol of good luck and fertility in many cultures, is another iconic migrant that graces the skies of Turkmenistan. These large black and white birds with their distinctive red beaks and legs breed across Europe and parts of Asia. They then embark on a long journey south, with many individuals crossing the Sahara Desert to reach their wintering grounds in sub-Saharan Africa. Turkmenistan's wetlands and rivers provide essential stopover points for these weary travelers. Section 4. Reasons for travel, seeking food and suitable breeding grounds. The driving force behind bird migration is the pursuit of resources, food and suitable breeding grounds. As seasons change, so too does the availability of food in different parts of the world. Birds have evolved to take advantage of these seasonal shifts in abundance. During the summer months, the long daylight hours and abundance of insects in northern latitudes provide ideal conditions for breeding and raising young. As winter approaches and these food sources dwindle, birds are driven southwards to warmer regions where food remains plentiful. For some species, like the Siberian crane, the journey is also about finding suitable breeding grounds. The vast wetlands and marshes of the Arctic tundra provide the perfect habitat for these cranes to raise their chicks. However, these areas are frozen solid for much of the year, forcing the cranes to migrate south in search of open water and feeding grounds. Turkmenistan, with its network of rivers, wetlands, and oases, offers a vital lifeline for these birds during their long journeys. Section 5, Conclusion, a shared journey, birds, ecosystems, and our responsibility. The epic migrations of birds like the Siberian crane and the white stork serve as a powerful reminder of the interconnectedness of our planet. These journeys, spanning continents and crossing political boundaries, highlight the ecological links between distant corners of the globe. The fact that these birds rely on habitats thousands of miles apart for their survival underscores the need for international cooperation in conservation efforts. As human activities continue to encroach upon natural habitats, the challenges faced by migratory birds are becoming increasingly acute. Habitat loss, climate change, and hunting pressures all pose significant threats to these long-distance travelers. Ensuring the survival of these remarkable creatures requires a concerted effort to protect and restore the habitats they rely on throughout their migratory routes. By understanding and appreciating the phenomenon of bird migration, we gain a deeper appreciation for the natural world and our place within it. Protecting migratory birds is not just about safeguarding individual species, it is about preserving the intricate web of life that sustains us all.